Hey guys, so we're going to be reviewing the Shopzow window mount bird feeder today. This one it has a mounting system that attaches to any window or a wall. It says here guaranteed 100% not to fall. Includes 2 non-permanent window mounts. So let's go ahead and open it up and take a look. Looks like it has some instructions on the inside, and there's the little mounting hooks in there. So let's take a look here. Okay, so this just slides off the top. So to put this back on, I just slide it back in like this. Okay, you can see there's a couple of little grooves here that attach. It seems like if I squeeze the edges here, it's gonna go into those grooves a little bit better, give a little bit more of a secure hang. So just a heads up, you might want to do that once you, let's see. Okay, so yeah, the round part slides back like this. The flat part is the part that's you slide towards when you take the lid off. Yeah, and then this goes in like this secure. So I would say get it into these grooves here, slide it in, and then give it a squeeze here, and then you're good to go. Very secure. The perch seems very secure. And this up here, so again, slide back towards the flat side. There's the hanger, obviously. And then so this is where we're going to load our seeds in. We'll take the insert out, take a look. Okay, this is good. They have some little instructions here. Right, so these are the little mounts, the part that sticks to the window, and the little hook. They give you 2 of these. I guess if you screw up the first time, you have another one you can try. Or you could put these hooks in 2 different places, and then you can move your feeder around occasionally if you want to hang it in one spot and then move it to another room when you have company and hang it outside that window. Please like and subscribe us. We'll also be I'll place a link down below where you can click through and order this bird feeder. Looks like a very nice bird feeder, and we will get it going here. And one of the claims is that it also says it's guaranteed not to fall, so we'll check that out, make sure that that's true. And I have found from my own experience, I've had the suction cup ones in the past, and inevitably it gets hot outside, it gets cold outside, and the weather changes, the suction cup loses its grip, and it falls, makes a big mess, the feeder breaks. So yeah, I'm very interested in using this feeder because it says guaranteed not to fall, but it's not completely permanent. These mounts are also removable, so we'll take a look at that and see how easy it is to remove them once you've had them in one place, if you need to pull them down if the feeder's not going to be there anymore. Okay, so it's been about an hour since we hung the Shopzow bird feeder hanger on the window. So that's had plenty of time to set now. Let's go ahead and get some seed in the feeder and hang it up, and we'll wait for the birds to show up. So again, we're just going to open this lid up. We're going to slide this flat part off of the feeder like this. Top open. And this is just some standard Finch blend bird seed. It's a small seed. They seem to like these. So this is the stuff I got. Pick it up at your local home improvement store out in the lawn and garden section. Alright, so hopefully I'll do this without spilling seeds all over the carpet. Let's see. Alright, it's starting to fall. That's good enough. Alright, so you can see there the seeds have come out the bottom into the little feeder tray, and I think we are good to go. So to put the lid back on again, you're going to start over here on the flat side and just slide it on this way. Line that up, slide it on, give it a little push, and then to make sure the rim goes into these little grooves here, we're going to squeeze it here one time. Give it that extra security, and that's on there. That is very secure. Let's go outside and hang it up on our hook. Wait for the birds.